Hello, I'm Debbie Bell-Hosking for Finextra in Dublin at the Temenos Community Forums event where the theme is Digital to the Core. I'm talking to Steve Weston of Volt Bank about the launch of the first neobank in Australia using Temenos Cloud. Hello, Steve.
Hello, Debbie.
So, Steve, you've just been granted a banking license. Was it difficult? What were the challenges?
Oh, look, it sounds difficult, doesn't it, getting a banking license? The truth was, it was much harder than what it sounded. So we're very fortunate. We've got a deeply experienced team and board. We work very closely with the regulator. And by the time we get to a full banking license, which we're hoping will be by the end of the year, we will have had no relaxation in any of the criteria that any other Australian bank has had to meet. Australia has an enviable reputation as being a really safe banking world, and it's really important that that's maintained.
So, Steve, you talk about a simpler, better way of banking. What is your vision for this?
Oh, it's transformationally different from the time that a customer opens an account. Use the latest technology that's available. So biometric ID, OCR. If customers want to open an account in 60 seconds, they can do it today, and they should be able to. And then they have all of these hassly things, so direct debits and standing orders. Look, it's just too hard. We've got the technology that you can transfer those almost instantly from your existing bank across to Volt Bank. Customers want help achieving their financial goals, and typically they are not getting it from banks today. They'll get a banking product, but not help on their journey. Technology and data analytics enables us to do that today, and that's what we will aim to do. And being a startup bank, a very low-cost operating model, we don't have heavy branch costs, we don't have legacy technology costs that are exorbitant, and so we can pass on that lower cost model in the form of better interest rates, fees, FX and those sort of things. So customers will get a better all-round deal with Volt Bank.
And you talk about what the customers are getting. So how are you harnessing technology? If you can expand on that a little bit more, towards being innovative and creating new services.
Look, we have got some really smart people at Volt Bank, but we don't have the smartest people in the world, and the day of you building all your technology yourself is long gone. Being here with Temenos and look at the sorts of things that they're doing, a core competency needs to become to find the best providers of technology solutions, and they can be software companies or they may be fintechs who offer solutions that our customers need. The core competency is identifying them and be able to bring it all together into one ecosystem so the customer gets a much better experience. So we'll continue to look at what our customers need, and then we'll look around the world to find out who is providing those solutions to those needs and bring them into the Volt Bank ecosystem.
You're talking about your system and the customers. How do you intend to grow the bank?
So initially we'll be a personal bank, so we'll have transaction accounts, savings accounts, term deposits once we have our full banking license. After a few months we'll move into personal loans and then home loans and credit cards, and we'll bed all that down and then we'll move on to the small business sector where there is an enormous opportunity. I think they're being really underserved in Australia, and we're going to do something about that as well.
Steve, thank you. It's been really interesting chatting to you.
Thanks, Debbie.
And thank you for watching.